Sindh MDCAT 2023 Instructions for filling the OMR sheet. Please write your name in capital letters using one box for each letter. Leave one box empty after each name. For example, if your name is Muhammad Khurram Ejaz, you would write Muhammad, then leave an empty box, then Khurram, then empty box, and then Ejaz. Secondly, write your seat number in the given boxes using one box for each number. There's a line of circles given under each number box. Please color the circle corresponding to the number written above. For example, if your seat number is beginning with 1, write 1 in the box and color the circle containing number 1 just below the number box. Please ensure that you sign the sheet in the given space.